Designed specifically for single-color Trulux tape light, the TRULINK 4-in-1 connector speeds up installations by providing quick and reliable connections every time. You can use the TRULINK in a variety of ways. Power your tape light, use as a splice connector, create custom length jump connectors, or make specialty T connections when applicable. Make the connection between the TRULINK connector and your tape light simply by inserting your tape light and securing the corresponding terminals. A slight modification to the IP65 tape light will be needed because of its protective coating. Start by removing the protective coating from the tape light using a utility knife to expose the conductive pads. Ensure the proper amount has been removed, so the tape light easily fits into the connector. The TRULINK connector is designed to automatically position your tape light so you can always expect solid contact with the tape light's conductor points. This 4-in-1 connector is also compatible with most Trulux extrusions, such as the Olin, Turbo, Premium 45, Double Flange, Universal, Paver, and assorted drywall slot extrusions. Learn more at AmericanLighting.com.